vocal technique development.
Hi everyone, today we'll be talking about the awesome, brutal, the heavy
RMS Vocal
tunnel
Institute.
throat. This style is not very used even to this day. I have seen very few singers actually use it. One of them is CJ McCreary from Signs of the Swarm, and now he is in Lorna Shore. He is doing it to perfection. And before some of you comment on me saying that it's the heavy style, it's actually the heaviest style out there. We have looked and seen how the voice box reacts to tunnel throat and guttural and so forth. It is the heaviest distortion type we can make on the ventricular folds. So you'll not get any lower in healthy sound production. But of course, if you use fry, then you might be able to get it just as low. But on ventricular folds, the heaviest sound production, the lowest pitched, or how you may put it, is the tunnel throat. But how is it done? Well, it is done by the lowest laryngeal mechanism or the second lowest. It does not belong to anything higher than that. You might be able to, but it's not a style where you'll be able to do super high pitched stuff with. From there, we take our tongue and manipulate the sound by making a U-shaped tongue shape, and then having the tip of the tongue touch the back of the teeth. So the back of the tongue is raised, the tip of the tongue is far down, if you may. And then we start speaking with it while our tongue is in that momentum or in that place. Hi everyone, how are you today? It is very hard to keep the tongue here, but it is possible. So practice that for a while, and then after that we activate our ventricular folds while having this manipulated airflow with our tongue. And it sounds something like and so forth. It's a lot of fun. It's the easiest distortion there is. So anyone who tells you that this is unhealthy or anything, I'm telling you this, tunnel throat is the easiest distortion type I know. So there you have it, tunnel throat. I really hope that this helped. Otherwise, book a lesson at rmsvocalinstitute.com. But don't forget to subscribe and make that bell ring with your newfound distortion.